it's not a trash box.
It's quite a big farm. It's also super hot.
And it's also just...
What can we see?
Oh, look at the heart shape.
So we've given up on walking.
Yeah, we're gonna get the car.
So we're gonna get a car. Yes.
And we need to make a money.
We already paid $5. We gotta explore the whole park.
$9. Lavender and milk.
It's 400 yen. Hot.
見やすい段差で似たようなセリフ並べてばかりねからくりなんて甘いだってきっと行く末は同じ素直になんて求めてないって嘘が消えた綺麗にも
So today we are going to try the shabu shabu, and then we've got the set of the beef and the lamb, and then they had the veggie for us, and then you can make your own condiments. So they have spring onion, daikon and tobiko.
Nice.
So I mixed it up.
Very nice.
So this is the iced matcha latte, and then we got the matcha parfait, which is huge. This is like same size as my face, and then it has a lot of things. You can see there's like
Ice
so
cream,
many layers.
There's warabi mochi, there's cake, there's something, and something.
Something.
Yeah. And it's green tea.
NANI?!
One bite, and then go. It's good, huh? We are queuing now for Shingen Ramen, and there has been mixed reviews on the internet about this place. So supposedly it can be quite good and quite bad at the same time. So
Not that it's bad, it just could be overrated.
yeah, so we're gonna try it today. So thankfully we're gonna wait. Then we're gonna get seated inside. So now we are reading the reviews while waiting. Fountain, and Xavier says we need to get the fried rice. So we're going to a ramen place
It's only
to have the
4.1.
fried rice.
Quite
Fried
disappointing.
rice? Sapporo ramen? No, we're coming here for fried rice.
We'll both.
OMG. Major disappointment. Apparently, we waited outside seeing that there were only like 8 people. But I just realized that inside there's a sitting area for more people to wait. So actually there are around 18 people in front of us, not 4. So yes, time check. I think it's been about 20 minutes since we are here. So yeah, just gotta keep waiting.
This ramen better make me fly. Please explain what just happened.
We were pressured to order in 1 second, and I didn't even see the menu properly.
Of our fault. Yes, we didn't see the menu. We made a decision. We ordered 2 huge ass bowls of ramen, which I will show, and 1 bowl of fried rice.
Yeah, so it's a cups galore.
It's been an hour. We're
Yes.
finally seated. If you can hear us. If you can understand it.
Yes. So we have 3 drinks. That's very nice. So we also got like their famous fried rice. So we can try some. Try.
Yeah, pretty good.
Pretty good.
What are your thoughts post-meal?
It was a bit salty, but it's nice. It's very unique. Haven't tried a ramen like that, so I got a spicy miso.
And that was very spicy to her.
Yeah, and then we got the original miso, but it was still not bad. But they
What do you
only
mean
had
not bad? It was good.
one piece of char siu that is so small. But yeah,
I say it's really good. I think it's better than Ichiran. Not her.
it's around Ichiran standard.
Additional comment.
But the fried rice was super good because they really had all the wok hei flavor inside. But it was quite oily, but it was nice.
Please define what is wok hei.
Wok hei, it's when it's fried to perfection. So there's that charred taste to it. We are currently at the Otaru Canal and it's raining really heavily, so we are having trouble enjoying the vibes, but it's very pretty. You can see the clouds behind. today we are at the Michelin star ramen place, and we are the last two. So we actually came to this place by chance. We weren't planning to come here. So we are the last two by luck. And the waiting time is only an hour and like 10 minutes. So it's a win because in this queue, we have the shortest waiting time. And we're the last two. So it's gonna be the best two bowls of noodles because the soup is gonna be the best. It's the last two soup bowls.